Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, it's me your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday and we have a 2-layer cake. Our first layer is our routines. On Sundays we have 3 routines. 3 is a holy number. Alright, so 3 is morning routine for yourself and your children, after dinner routine, before bed routine. That's it. There's no laundry, there's no mail, there's no paper. The second thing in our 2-layer cake is today is a day to renew your spirit, to renew your children's spirit, to get energy for the week, and to just refresh yourself and start over. And that's what Sunday is. It's the first day of the week officially. So let's go ahead and do that today. Get up early this morning, do your routine, get your children's routines done. That includes making the bed, yes, even on Sunday. Cleaning the bathroom after yourself, yes, even on Sunday. Swishing and swiping for you. And getting the kitchen dishes emptied and ready for today, because you're going to have a nice feast later on, I hope. Okay? All right, so we're going to go have church. Go have church. And when you come back after your worship time, you're going to feel refreshed, renewed. Your spirit is going to be refreshed. And it's time to really feel the love that you have for your family and enjoy this day. Have a nice feast with your family, whatever that might be. It could be a sub sandwich that you make with the family, which is always fun. We did that sometimes. It could be a bowl of spaghetti. It doesn't matter, but it's a Sunday feast, okay? And then everyone who eats completes the process by after dinner routine. Your before bed routine tonight includes looking at your planner for the whole week. And this afternoon, if you have a little time, please get your planner out and reevaluate what you've planned last Wednesday and maybe shoot it forward a little further. Remember that next week is Zone 5, the living room, dining room, if your dining room is in combination or nearby. And if you have a straight and no clutter living room, dining room area, then pick 4 things to do that take 10 minutes or less that are considered deep clean, and do one every day, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Put it in your planner. Put it Zone 5. Make sure that you write down the basic weekly plan. Monday is weekly home blessing hour, or if you're in a position where you need to split it up and or delegate it, put that throughout the week. Tuesday is your free day, time to have some solitude for yourself, time to really reflect, and also time to do something special for yourself. Third day of the week is Wednesday, or Wednesday is not necessarily the 3rd day of the week, could be the 4th if you're counting Sunday as one, but doesn't matter. Wednesday is your planning and desk day, very important. Everything rocks around that planning and desk day. So you want to get that done on Wednesdays. Thursday is your errand day, your grocery day. And Friday is your purse and car day. Saturday is your family fun day, and Sunday is renew your spirit. So plan for it and it will happen. Execute your plan. All right. Make sure that you write down anything that's happening this week that you've forgotten to put in there. Maybe there's a teacher's planning meeting or conference, or a dentist appointment that's come up, or maybe a follow-up appointment, or maybe you need to pick up a prescription on Monday. Whatever it is, make sure you write it down, because these are important things that you don't want to forget. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to remember that you are beautiful.